All right, why is everyone buying this under the desk elliptical machine? It's because it's amazing. It's very effective. It's great to use while you're working under your desk, even while you're just sitting there. You can, it's amazing. Very portable. Has this handle right here, very easy, very lightweight. Has the nice little mat underneath it to keep everything nice and protected, non-slip. You also got a non-slip vibe on the pedals right here. Let me just take my feet off as it goes. So non-slip vibe. Your feet grip nice and tightly to it if you want. You can also, it comes with these straps that you can use if you really want to. But everything can be controlled from this remote right here. I'm just going to control it right here for the video. So let's go. There's 3 different modes. I'll just go run through them really quick. So you got mode 1, 2, 3 can all be preset, or you can just do manual mode, whatever you want. So let's start. This is speed. It was just on speed 1. Now it's on speed 2. Let's go to speed 10 just to show you. That's speed 10. It's great. Let's change the direction. Goes in reverse. This can be done at all the different speeds. As it does that, it is running through, doing a scan, showing you the time you've been using it, the distance you've done so far, speed. It counts the number of pedals you've done, as well as the calories. So this thing is great. You need to get it. Highly recommend it.